It's a new day here in Tokyo, and I just booked a hostel right this morning for Hakone, close to Mount Fuji. So I will stay one night right in front of Mount Fuji, and I hope it's gonna be sunny and not cloudy, otherwise I won't be able to see it. I'm exploring a bit Tokyo again, and then tonight I'm meeting with a Japanese girl for drinks, and I go in a place called Tokyo Brain, which is owned by a guy from Europe, married with a Japanese wife, so I'm gonna get to know the culture a little bit and connect with some locals and maybe make some friends. Right now I'm close to Ginza station, which I'm trying to find, and I'm going to the fish market, the biggest open fish market in the world. Walking to the fish market right now. I'm slowly getting there like a scavenger hunt. But right now on my way I found this thing. Sorry if my breath is short, this thing is very heavy and I'm stretching my arm completely in order to keep it straight in front of my face. Look what I just found. I have no idea what it is, but it looks majestic. I just got an explanation on what it is. There is a mother temple in Kyoto to which this was inspired from, but the real temple was destroyed in 1923 by an earthquake. A professor of architecture in Tokyo helped rebuilding and designing the new temple. And inside you can see the architecture is fantastic, and there are people donating incense at the entrance of the temple. The first thing that you experience when you enter is this very strong smell of incense. The experience itself, if you want to spend 20 minutes here, is like experiencing Haka in New Zealand. It's something that I suggest everybody coming to Tokyo to experience at least once. Go into a Buddhist temple, spend 20 minutes listening to the music and the sounds of it. It's incredible. The reason why I travel solo, and I love traveling solo, and I couldn't travel with anybody else in this stage of my life, is because the rhythms I keep up with are very challenging for other people. I wake up in the morning and I decide what to do. I never book hostels, and I go with the flow to the point that sometimes I put myself in challenging situations, and I know that traveling with somebody else, I would piss them off every time, and after 2 or 3 days of traveling with me, I think people will get pissed and say, you know what? Or they have a massive amount of patience, which sometimes I met those kind of people, but it's difficult to find them. And when I say I trust the universe, people look at me, raise their eyebrows and think, oh, wishy-washy bullshit, but I just experienced my own medicine on me. I just met 2 guys because I was looking for direction for the fish market, which by the way is behind me. I'm walking in this direction just to record this. And we start talking. The girl is from Canada, the guy is from Spain, and they're going in my same direction tomorrow. We are gonna meet in Hakone, at the base of Mount Fuji, and tomorrow night I'm gonna meet with them and eat in a restaurant with them. And right now I'm walking back because I want to go to the fish market that I was walking far away from just to record this. So you're gonna see the fish market in 3, 2, right now I'm in a cross over. There are streets in front, left and right and behind. So I'm still deciding where to go. And you can eat anything you can think of, from mochi to pancakes to sushi to ramen, buy stuff from the markets. And miscellaneous things I had no idea what they are, like this or that or that. I know you can feel it behind the screen, but the scents you smell are incredible. There is a mix of everything, and my nose is getting paranoid right now. This place here has an actual long queue, so the food must be amazing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay because I think it will take half an hour at least to get food, but it's so tempting because I can see through and they have salmon and tuna and any kind of sushi you can think of, and the queue stops right here. From here to over there. Look, another guy making videos, nice. I have some people back home that they ask me to buy chopsticks or knives to them, and I just found a chopstick shop close to me. The prices ranges from $10 to $330. I don't know what they're made of, they're probably handmade. There's some golden things on it. I'm not sure if it's actual gold, but I'm sure they are handcrafted. I came back to the place where I was before, and now there is a massive line and it's fully booked inside. Every time you buy anything here in Japan, they put a sticker on top of the item you purchased. So when you leave the shop, they know if you paid or not. So if you come here thinking that you can be a shoplifter and outsmart them, think again, because you're gonna get caught and you're gonna get in trouble. And I know this message is at least for one of my friends watching this video. So don't even think about this if you come to Japan. They're gonna catch you. They're gonna catch you. The good thing about Japan is that you can find maps everywhere. So if you get lost and you don't have the right maps, like me, and you don't have internet so you can check Google Maps or offline maps, you forgot to download them, you have maps everywhere. If you're interested in learning how to make sushi, this is the place for you. I was starving, so I came back into the maze, into the fish market to get some food. I went to a shop and I asked if I could have half a portion of what they were showing, and the guy cut it in front of me and it's super fresh, so I'm very excited to try tuna. Tuna! Fresh tuna from Japan! Cheers!